How to add money to SoFi with debit card. SoFi is a fintech company offering a wide range of online financial services, including loans, banking, investing, and insurance, known for its career coaching and financial planning. First, you have to log in to your SoFi account. After you sign into your account, go over to the menu at the bottom of your screen and then select Banking. Then click on More. Click on Deposit. After that, click on Debit Card. Enter your card information. Agree to the terms and conditions. Then come to Main page and click on Add Cash. In this page, select Frequency. Enter the amount. Then click Review. Then click on Transfer Money. That's all. Thanks for watching.